What makes a perfect software partner? We are a team of global professionals in health and sports software development and staffing, helping our clients find the perfect people for their business and build game-changing products. We believe in excellence in everything we do, whether a new project or a new hire. We are experts in building products and building teams. We provide cost-efficient end-to-end software development services, covering every aspect of the process and delivering real results. We're staffing pros. From offshore talent acquisition to HR support, we cover everything so our clients can focus on growing their business. Who trusts us? These people, and these, and these. So, everyone. And their dog. Every day, we come together to turn ideas into reality, sharing a passion for what we do. So, who makes a great software partner?